This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. You must be signed into the same Apple ID in Game Center on your device and in Xcode. Once done, open your Xcode project and add the Game Center capability under Signing and Capabilities. This turns on entitlements automatically. Next, make sure your App ID in the Apple Developer Portal has Game Center enabled and that the bundle ID matches exactly. These steps avoid permission mismatches later, so complete them before writing code or configuring leaderboards. Now implement the authentication flow in your game code. Import GameKit and call GK Local Player. Local. Authenticate handler at launch. This presents login UI or returns cached credentials. Make sure you handle the different outcomes, success, user cancel, and errors, and provide retry logic with backoff so you don't spam prompts. Test using a sandbox Apple ID on a device. Log state changes and error codes to the console to verify your flow. Once authenticated, you can safely call leaderboards and achievements APIs. Finish by creating leaderboards and achievements in App Store Connect and map those ID to constants in your game. Use GK Score and GK Achievement to report results. Queue and persist reports locally if network or auth fails, then retry. Before release, test via test flight and sandbox accounts to confirm behavior. If something goes wrong, check entitlements and bundle ID alignment, confirm device Game Center account, and verify whether you're in sandbox versus production. Mismatched environments are the most common cause and easy to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.